also know it's been like exactly 7 days since I've last posted a video. So the video I'm gonna start off with Aline. Aline has finally made a YouTube channel. That's for those who keep up with her on Instagram with her and her mom. It's called Mama and Me. I'm gonna show you a snippet of what to expect, plus her new intro for the video. So if you want, you can subscribe and it will be official on February the 1st. All right.
Today, Mommy and I are recording the theme song for a brand new YouTube channel.
I'm in the Seika Studio, fabulous older studio.
What? She not sing, she dance. I noticed that.
Yeah, dance.
You're dancing, but
Dance, pick up with the microphone.
yeah, you have to sing. Leonie! Yes, mommy. What?
Mama and dad are in a combination.
The love is real, we are Jamaican.
We laugh, dance and cook, sing, we own a song.
Come all the positive vibes with we, no man.
Mama and me, we are the Lawtons. Mama and me, we are the Lawtons.